Hey, I'm Artur, founder of AgentView. It's an open platform for building custom e-commerce support agents and shopping assistants at enterprise scale. We solved the buy versus build dilemma, as today you have two choices for a customer support. Pick a SaaS or build everything yourself. SaaS, they get you started quickly, but use off-the-shelf methods that are not customizable enough. And flexibility in agents matter, just like with frontend. You can use Salesforce Commerce Cloud or Magento, but the front always needs custom work to reflect the way you communicate with users. Under the hood, SaaS vendors rely on OpenAI, Anthropic, or 11 Labs anyway, so you're just paying extra for vendor locking and reduced flexibility. On the other hand, building from scratch. You write your agent code in any stack you want, you own all the IP, and you just pay for the LLM usage. It's great, but it means you need to handle all the UI integrations, deployments, channels, everything on your own. So AgentView lets you skip that scaffolding. You write only your AI logic and we handle the rest. Let me show you. Here is a very simple agent code with a fast API endpoint. It's based on Taubench from Sierra. And here you have defined some prompts. You have some rules and policies like the agent should not proceed with any task if the user ID is not found. Then you probably created some tools like get order details or transfer to human agent. It basically receives a conversation history and returns a response. That's it, super simple. And we believe that you should own this because you'll define your tools, shape your workflows, or build custom evals. Because models and framework will change anyway as we are super early in the AI, but you can't go to production without evals. That's the mode you'll need to build anyway, and SaaS vendors, they just won't give you that. Okay, so you have your agent. What's next? Boom. That's it. One command, and AgentView is open. No extra work. Entire Studio UI is ready. Stakeholders can log in, view real-time conversations, search through past threads, submit feedback, and so on. This feedback loop is critical because you will find the gaps before the production and retrain model over time. Then your agent will communicate through different channels, website chatbots, email, messenger. Let's say a customer sends an email to your support for a refund. Agent processed the ticket and solved it. All the crucial info about agent behavior, like which tool call has been used, all stored and ready to play with. So orchestration, routing, integrations, and UI, it's out of the box. You just build your AI part. When changing your agent logic, your team can play with it in the test mode. It's super helpful to evaluate after you change prompts, added new method, swap the model, and so on. We're working on the escalations as well. If the agent can't answer, it escalates to Zendesk or another support tool. Finally, when you have thousands of conversations, you need tools to analyze failure pattern, like which question fails, in which channels customers drop off, which policies needs tweaking. So AgentView will surface the eval metric, aggregate feedback, and summarize common issues so you can prioritize the improvements. In summary, you build the AI brain and own every line of code, every eval, every workflow, because that is the only way to stay flexible as models and business needs change. AgentView handles integrations, UI, feedback, escalation, and analytics, so you never pay for vendor lock-in and save months of engineering in building scaffolding yourself. Let's talk, I'm super curious on your feedback.